So question 1 and 2, not that bad. Question 1 and 2. So question 1. Question 1, you invest 1,200 for 5 years at 8%. So 1,200 multiplied by 1 plus r to the power n equals your answer. Equals what you're trying to work out, basically. Calculate the total. Okay, so this is okay, cool. So I'll do this first. So 1,200. 1 plus, what are we doing? 8%, interest rate 8%. 1 plus 0.08 to the power of n, how many years? 5 years. Equals 1,200. 1 plus r, 0.08 to the power of 5 equals 1,763 and, okay, 1,763 pounds, 19 pence. Okay, and basically the question is saying calculate the total interest that you would receive. So total interest that you would receive. So initially you invested 1,200. At the end we got 1763.19. Take them away from each other. So 1763.19 minus 1,200. £563. That's the interest. Total interest received 563 and 19 pence. Yeah. 1,200. 1 plus 0.08. Yep. Perfect. Okay. Question 2. Question 2, basically the same formula. Uncle bought a house 3 years ago for 230 grand, now worth 250k. What is the average annual increase in the house price? So when you invested the money, you invested initially at 230 grand, 1 plus r to the power of n, and his final answer, he got 250 grand, the value increased to, it is now worth 250k. Bought a house 3 years ago, now worth 250k. Okay, so 3 years ago, so n equals 3. And what is the average annual increase? What is the average annual increase in the house? Okay, alright. So 1 plus r to the power n equals, what we're doing is basically divide it. 250,000 divided by 230,000. We know n equals 3. 3 years, they tell you here, n is 3 years ago. So 1 plus r equals 250,000 divided by 230,000. So basically 1 plus r equals the cube root of 250,000, 230,000. So 1 plus r equals, so cube root, make sure it's a cube root 250 divided by 230. Same, because 250k over 230k is the same as 250 over 230. Equals 1.028. So 1 plus r equals 1.028. R equals 0.028 minus 1. Yeah, 0.028. So that means r equals 2.8%. So that means it's increasing. Average increase is 2.8%. That's the way you work it out. This is basically what the interest is. The interest is 2.8%. Yeah. So yeah, r equals 2.8%, and basically what you're doing is 230 grand times by 2.8%, which is 0.028 equals 0.028 equals 640. and on average it's increasing by 6,440 each year for the 3 years. Okay, 60, yeah, that's right. R equals 2.8%. Yeah, so same formula, 1 plus Rn, similar to here, 1 plus R to the power of n equals, so they told us that at the end of the 3 years it was 250k, initially it was 230k, n equals 3 years. Well, we want to get this by itself, we want to get the unknown by itself, so 250 divided 230, 1 plus R to the power n equals 250 over 230, cube root it in the calculator, 1 plus R equals 1.028, R equals 0.028, so R equals 2.8%, then you just multiply by the initial price, 230k times by the 2.8%, tells you how much it's increased every year to reach 250k over the 3 years.